Heartily welcome everyone and welcome dear Simon. It's so exciting, the time has come and we are officially initiating our phase 1 of the public launch. Dear Simon, can you give for everyone who is very new here today a brief summary about what the Future Trends Multiverse is, how it works and its value proposition?
Thank you so much. So in a nutshell, the Future Trends Multiverse is a multidimensional business acceleration system. It leverages a global resource matrix in 150 plus countries, and we are empowering companies, nations, individuals to quantum leap forward and scale into the future. We're doing that by a system we've built over many years that converges 3D XR technology with AI, with blockchain, and it's decentralized. This means nations, companies, agencies, or basically anyone, their offerings, they can stream to our platform in a decentralized way via API. We're specialized in creating hyper-real avatars. For individuals, project digital twins means we can, in any scope, from the size of a coffee cup to an entire nation, we can create digital twins of real-world assets or project. When we digitalize those, we delete the file on our end, we give it to the owner, and then the owner can stream it to our platform in a decentralized way, but also can disconnect at any time. So we've built a massive exhibition, which is called the Future Expo, and it has a diameter of 25 kilometers. And on this exhibition, we're converging many different industry sectors together and converge them into walking distance. This means that potential investors or buyers can, with a few clicks from their smartphones, their tablets, their computers, or VR glass, but not mandatory VR glasses, access opportunities, access projects, and do due diligence in 2D, so they can seamlessly navigate between 2D and 3D. For example, a potential Chinese investor that is interested to invest into a project in Africa, someone can send them an invitation link via WeChat. With one click, they can access and go into the project in Africa like they're actually there, into the hyperreal digital twin of that project, even if that project is not completely built yet, even before it is funded. Then the potential investor can do due diligence about this project, so they can see the documentations, the teams, the roadmaps, the background information. Every company or every vendor or exhibitor that wants to onboard onto our platform has to do a KYB. Every user has to do a KYC. There's a trust layer on the platform. Every project that is listed here is verified. Every user is verified. What we've built is basically a platform that is multidimensional, and it's fast-tracking transactions, investment transactions, purchases, and also referrals, fully streamlined, and we make it accessible for everyone around the world with the click of a button, even from the smartphone, even through the browser, accessible no matter what age. We've presented this platform, for example, in a primary school in Botswana.
Multiverse Botswana!
With the kids there through a laptop directly to MarsSpace Alpha, which we have digitalized.
On the MarsSpace, okay? MarsSpace Alpha.
It means every company, every government, any individual can list and position their offerings on our global multidimensional business acceleration system, on our exhibition, to fast track investment processes, transactions, trade, and also give everyone the opportunity to refer their projects, even if they didn't know about them before. So if somebody likes your project or likes your offering, you create business opportunity for somebody else, while actually they can support you to achieve your goals and to fast track the achievement of your goals by having the opportunity to refer your project to a potential investor or to a potential buyer. So we're creating an enormous amount of business opportunities for everyone, from governments, entire nations, to companies, to agencies, to individuals, to end clients. Means it's a G2B2 B2C fully streamlined platform, multidimensional, and it's accessible through the browser from any end device via a few clicks, even from remote areas in Africa, using Starlink. So in that process, so many resources can be saved, from time to money to other resources that are involved in all the day-to-day business, compliance, and marketing operations and transactions. This is just one example. The Maun Science Park we have digitalized in our Multiverse Botswana, which has just been endorsed by the president. So all the projects and custom-built spaces that are positioned on our platform can be automatized and fully functional on AI, on autopilot, as well as the avatars. So basically, when you have an avatar that looks exactly like you, how they shall interact with anyone within that ecosystem. And you can again manage and own your own files of your own spaces as well as your own avatars. And you can stream those files fully decentralized via API to the platform. You can disconnect at any time. So it's in your own management, in your own control. It's truly decentralized. And it can be based on your own AI.
Wow, thank you very much, dear Simon. That's brilliant. Sounds really huge, and I'm very excited about all what I've just heard. Perhaps you can share now the launch phases with us so that we know what will happen when.
Sure. So the public launch has three main phases. Phase 1, in which we're publicly launching several mega events and spaces in our Future Trends Multiverse with our global partners, including the Future Trends Group, Law Advisory, AI World Alliance, Asia Blockchain Society, New York Capital, Being Investments, Space Blue, Luna Prize, Futurum Salo City, our global community, and now even entire nations. So for example, we have just successfully digitalized and launched the WOW Multiverse with the WOW Summit Hong Kong 2025, together with our new partners AI World Alliance and the WOW Summit. So during the WOW Summit Hong Kong 2025, the entire event was live, online, and accessible through the browser.
Multiverse.
Thank you so much. First of all, it's a huge honor for achieving this and receiving this award from AI World Alliance, from my dear partner Ilya, from Nikita, for the whole team. Big shout out to our team. It's a huge honor to be here and the WOW Summit. Thank you so much.
Same as the Multiverse Malawi during the recent Malawi presidential campaign. Now we have officially launched Multiverse Botswana, where we are digitalizing and are putting the entire country as a hyper-real digital twin online in the Multiverse Botswana. Our platform has been endorsed by the president, Duma Gideon Boko. We are rolling it out full force with our partner Farzam Kamalabadi, who's the presidential envoy of Botswana, including building the digital Silk Road trade corridors between whole Africa, China, the GCC countries, India, BRICS, Global, to fast-track investments, trade, referrals, government services, and governance processes. We are launching the Luna Prize Metaverse together with our partner Space Blue, who have arrangements with SpaceX, NASA, Blue Origin, the New York Stock Exchange, and a great global community of millions of people from different industries, including the space industry, blockchain, finance, art, music, entertainment, including K-pop and Stan Lee communities. We will now bring into our joint platform the Luna Prize Metaverse in the Future Trends Multiverse. So we've digitalized the custom Luna Prize Museum and Metaverse on the moon, as well as Mars Base Alpha, the entire Cape Canaveral launch site, and we'll have a massive live festival with on-site and onboard space launch experiences in custom astronaut and superhero suits, all the artists of the Luna Prize Museum, K-pop star event, Stan Lee himself, and superheroes, the so-called Legion of Five, which is a Stan Lee original project that has never been realized and shall be brought to life now in our Luna Prize Metaverse and the Future Trends Multiverse. And we are now offering our last special packages that you can announce in a moment, Stefan. Then we will initiate phase 2, in which we are officially minting our NFTs, including our plots. So every plot on our exhibition is an NFT with its own API. So somebody who buys it, they own it forever, and they can then stream their data to their own plots with their own AI, fully decentralized, as I have explained before. We will mint those NFTs on the Binance Smart Chain. Then everyone who's part of our VIP and early bird community will be the first ones who are able to choose their plots on our exhibition. And then we will list our NFTs on our own marketplace, as well as global NFT marketplaces, and we'll full force start with marketing through all of our global partners. So they're functional, usable, tradable, and then also will be leasable. After those pre-launch packages are sold, we will officially start with the sale offering of 10%, only 10% of our entire future expo space, for an equal of a total of 2 billion USD. After those land plots are sold, those 10%, we will only lease land in our future expo, in our Future Trends Multiverse. And then, of course, everyone of our VIP early bird community and everyone who saved themselves a seat, as mentioned, will lifetime long participate from all of our platform revenues, all transactions, percentage of all of the referrals that are happening in the system, as well as our rental income and all the transactions that are happening on the platform, including, of course, the design packages as well, means the creations of avatars. When we're digitalizing just 1 million avatars, this is a turnover of 1 million times $500, means a total revenue of $500 million just from the creation of avatars, not including yet design packages we're offering for companies, for entire countries, for any business, as well as the distribution of our own proprietary software, hardware devices, and other technologies we are bringing to the market. And then we will globally scale our platform with all of our global partners and all the different nations we're plugging into our system. Thus, we're creating unlimited amount of G2B to B2C business opportunities for everyone and maximum amount of impact. In a nutshell.
Wow. So, what's the Future Multiverse about? Follow us on our journey to the glorious 7 USPs. It is a multidimensional Web4-based business acceleration system. It is hyper-realistic because it's based on Unreal Engine, and it offers seamless navigation between 2D and 3D. Plus, we offer teleportation from one location to another with one click. It's so easy, and it has a KYC and KYB based fiat and crypto payment gateway with Binance channel partner. Plus, we have a network, a global network of 1 billion plus people, including millions of companies in over 150 countries. We are decentralized, transparent and secure. We are easy to use. We offer multilingual 24/7 avatars, and we are browser-based, accessible from any internet-enabled device like your smartphone, for example. Okay then, let's get started with the Future Multiverse packages. We have some bundles for you. Starting already with 250 USD, this is the package Beginner. And let's see what's in it at all. What's in it for you? For example, some passports and visas. This means if there are some special events that you need them for, one is already included in the very first package. Main point is our economic space inside these packages. There you can build whatever you want. If it's a house or if it's your company, you can build it on this space. Or you can just rent it out to other users, because we only sell 15% of the entire area. Everyone coming later can't buy anymore, so has to rent. Your advantage. So we as a company, we rent out 1 square meter per day for 1 USD. Price now is 50 USD per cubic meter. This means 50 USD is the buying price now for 1 square meter, and you can rent it out later for 1 USD per day. Or sell it when the prices rise. Great deal, isn't it? And cubic meter means that under your space there is a coin that gets minted when we start the public launch. You can stake it for your regularly income stream, or you can trade it on Binance, for example. Let's see what more examples are inside these packages. There are some avatars included, and these avatars mean that you can have a hyper-realistic version of yourself. You just send us some pictures, we give you instructions how to do, and then you have an avatar. It's easy and it's awesome. Meet your friends in Future Multiverse, looking like in real life. Starting with the package Pioneer, you have 1 avatar already included. And if you want to buy some extra, they are very low priced with just 500 USD. Plus, we have design packages. They are starting from the package creator to be included, or you can order them on top with every other package if needed. Next point are our direct commissions. What does it mean? If you refer the Future Multiverse to a person that you like and you say, okay, please buy the articles offered in the Future Multiverse, it's wonderful. Or Future Multiverse is just fantastic. I tested it and now there is time for you to participate as well. Then you get a direct commission. It's that easy. You can refer it all around the world. So that's the Future Multiverse. Decide yourself if you think this is the real thing. And then you have the possibilities to see our prices starting at 250 USD, or if you want more, up to millions. It's your choice. And I can just say, be part of the Future Multiverse. it's worth every penny. And every penny more gives you a higher revenue. Welcome at the future Multiverse.